Hey there, welcome back to Future Concept Cars. Today we're diving into the details of the all-new 2025 Honda Civic Sedan. This model brings fresh, innovative changes, blending Honda's legendary reliability with a sporty edge, and for the first time, a hybrid powertrain option. First off, Honda has completely revamped the Civic's hybrid lineup. The 2025 Sport Hybrid model offers a remarkable 200 horsepower thanks to its two-motor hybrid system, delivering a smooth yet responsive drive that feels great on both city streets and highways. Plus, with an impressive 50 miles per gallon in the city and 47 on the highway, it's a fuel-efficient choice that rivals top hybrids out there, like the Toyota Prius, but with a bit more punch and Honda's driving finesse. For those interested in safety, the 2025 Civic is equipped with the full Honda Sensing Suite, featuring collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, making every drive a safer experience. Not only that, the traffic sign recognition feature can help you keep track of road signs displayed directly on the dash, adding convenience and security to your journey. Inside, the Civic's interior has been elevated with high-end touches like a Google integrated infotainment system, optional Bose premium sound, and wireless Apple CarPlay. It's a sleek and minimalistic cabin, but packed with features designed for modern comfort, such as dual-zone climate control and leather-trimmed seats on higher trims. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe if you're enjoying the video, and leave a comment below. What do you think of the new hybrid model? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Lastly, the exterior of the 2025 Civic has been fine-tuned for a more aggressive look with sharper lines and darker accents, especially in the sport touring hybrid trim. Honda has managed to make this sedan look and feel premium without losing its affordability. And with a base price starting around $24,250, it's an appealing choice for those looking for style and practicality on a budget. Overall, the 2025 Civic Sedan really steps up as an eco-friendly, high-tech, and stylish commuter car, redefining what we expect from Honda's iconic lineup. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews right here on Future Concept Cars. Thanks for watching.